Hi everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry, and I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States in Sioux City, Iowa. And I just want to say thank you for joining me on my channel.
Today's video is going to look a little bit different. I don't have a final product to show you, and I'm sorry about that, but I've already painted over it because although it was really cool, what happened is it cracked. My base white house paint ended up cracking on me. So I ended up putting gesso on it and repainting over it for another project. So anyway, today's gonna look a little bit different, but you can still see the technique. I love this technique, a ring and a Dutch pour all in one, and I really thought this turned out pretty cool, and it's too bad we can't have a final product. But anyway,
Thanks again for joining me on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell if you enjoyed it, and let me know down below what you thought about the video as well as what you thought about the painting. And thank you so much for joining me. Let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Hi everyone. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use crimson, metallic silver, black, and metallic white again. I may put in some titanium white. I think I might do that too as well. Just regular titanium white as well. This will be kind of, well, for us it was the Newton Cardinals, red, white, and black. So anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right. Okay, let's do this one. I'm gonna pour this way. It's amazing how the red turns brown. Here you go. Sorry for the glare. Pretty cool.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.